Story of Regina, say Regina get belle, Regina get belle for your husband.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you never be lonely.
Regina, say Regina get belle, Regina get belle for your husband. All of the day surprise. The social media just carry on different talk. Why Regina, as I don't understand though. If person marry before, what do they expect before? If you want go near the house before go sit down, they watch television. It must just be get belle now. Me, I don't understand this one where social media can't carry on. People just they say Regina get belle, Regina do this, small girl. Small girl we can go carry big man cassava. You know say go born before. If first marry before, what would they expect? Not make it born picky for the marriage. Me, I don't understand though. This one where social media can't carry on everywhere. Regina get belle, Regina get belle. Not be new thing now. Now what would they expect say must happen? Now it happen so. Regina must get belle for your husband. Yeah, he must get belle. Okay, when I be say one go there before go they watch television or go they play, I don't understand. You must get belle for your husband. Now the belle comes so that people. And the belle not just comes so. When I understand. Because social media don't carry the thing like say Regina not supposed to get belle for Nendi. What it be? Your husband. Okay, Regina be one go there before you go they watch television and be cartoon. I don't understand. Una there where Regina start film. Yes, you know say there's small pikin when they start with the art film. Regina come see day 19 now you can't bump you want bump pikin so. More than that they can't follow and they say Regina get belle. Now what is supposed to happen before? If person marry, you go born for your husband. Now Regina want do so. No say before. People no expect. People they feel say Regina want come this man as well because say yes and a big man. He want come there, come play. Maybe you know what come stay all those things. He want come there, come shopping money, come do this. When I don't say now say he don't they expect a baby now. If they expect whether I do busy or una amaka. Now they expect so more than that they can't. They say Regina get belle. Now what is supposed to happen? I dey happy for her because it's not easy. People not believe before. They hear the thing say Regina want go there, may go play, may go do this one. Nah, Regina don't they expect speaking. Regina now don't get belle. But I want to talk again now. Before many people they say that fake. Regina want go shop the man. Regina want do this. Ask small girl go marry old man. Small girl ready to marry old man. You go ready to stand gidigba now. Regina, I hate you because that's the way you do that time. I say I hate you, my dear. Because for small girl to carry big cassava, now something. And you can't able to consider now he married the man as a veggie. I shocked her eyes. Because I know that girl never start to the jogodo. Because now our president is start to the art now. They can't reach 18. I know that girl. He never really start to the jogodo. Now that man just now you be cool for you to even come this veggie our Regina. Now you be cool. I give you hand. I don't say that girl a veggie before she even talk am. You know, so more leave her. Now waiting with the expect before say she must born pikin for the marriage. She must get belle for the marriage. So now it happens so. So are they happy for you? No worry, we dey pray for you, safe delivery. Very soon, and I go to hear say Undubisi go come out or Una Amaka or if Unaya it go come out. We're happy for you. You know, easy. Thank you, everybody. Take care. Now waiting with the expect for Regina. Now it happens so. So until I come your way next time again, so I go keep una updates again when she go deliver the baby, whether na on the BCO or if Unaya or na pikin. Thank you, everybody. Take care. Bye.
Anytime I see your face,
You got me crazy with your beautiful smile, baby. I want to be with you, even though the war end, oh, we are still together. I'll be with you till the end of time, oh. Baby, I don't get to know about what people say. They can say what they like, they can do